today is we're building our plug-in hybrid electric Wrangler. It's a new technology. So today we're melding the go anywhere, do anything capability of the Jeep Wrangler that came to us with the JL. That the top off, the doors off, the windshield down, water fording, go anywhere you want with the Jeep Wrangler that Americans have loved for over 80 years. But today we're melding it with new technology. 375 horsepower, can go 25 miles on a full charge, but it can still cross the Rubicon. It's still true to the heritage of the Jeep Wrangler. Jeep is a leader in sustainability, and so this is the technology that will lead the Jeep Wrangler into the future. It will provide us with job security here, and it also provides a platform for Jeep around the world for sustainability and for new technology to be green and to be leaders in green and leaders in sustainability around the world. This is not only a great day for our Jeep enthusiasts around the world, it's a great day for the people of Toledo, for the team members here in Toledo, to bring this new technology to birth here in Toledo. I want to give a shout out to everybody here in Toledo for making this possible. And together we've got a great history, we've got a great future, and this is just the next chapter of a very, very successful Jeep Toledo partnership that will go on in the future.